I'm going to show you how to make your pizza dough. It's simple and easy, using only a few ingredients. Just stick with. I'll show you how to make it in a mixer and a bread machine. So 2 different ways, same recipe. Plain and simple, easy Jane. Follow with me. First things first, go ahead and heat up either 3/4 a cup of water, or if you're going to make 2 batches, go ahead and heat up a 1.5 cups of water. We're going to be adding in some dry yeast, and we want it to activate. And so the warmer the water, we want about 110 degrees to 115 degrees. The warmer the water, it's really going to start flourishing. Okay, so you want to make sure it's warm. So here I have my mixer bowl. I'm going to pour 3/4 a cup in there. And then in my bread machine, I'm going to pour the other 3/4. Have some active yeast here. Option here, you can use what I have, which is the jar of dry activated yeast, or you can use the packets. 1 packet is 2 1/4 teaspoons. So I'm going to do a teaspoon, and then a teaspoon, and a teaspoon, and then we just need 1/4. And 1/4. We're going to let that sit for about 10 minutes, but that yeast is starting to wake up. And just like you and I, when you wake up, we're hungry. So you got to feed that yeast. So the best way to feed that yeast is you're going to want some sugar. That yeast is hungry like the wolf. We're going to do about 1/4 of sugar. And let that yeast feed. This one is forming very nice. So is this one. So once they start foaming up, fropping, I'm going to pour a little salt in there. Just a little bit. I'm going to pour in my flour. For my flour, you're going to want 2.5 cups of flour. 1. 2. And then 1/2. Oh, it's that simple. All we're going to do is we're going to add in a little bit of olive oil. It's really going to help that crust. Probably about a tablespoon of olive oil. So if you have a bread machine, select dough, and then we're just going to drop this one in there. Close it up and press start. I'm not sure where we got our bread machine. I want to say we got it from the thrift store. If you don't have a mixer, you can do this by hand with if you have a spatula like this, easier to do it with. Lock our mixer on in, and we're going to start whisking. Now, if it starts getting a little too doughy or too thick, and you need to add more water, it's fine. Pizza dough here from the blender. So all I'm going to do is I'm going to knead out a little bit. And all we're going to do is start folding it in to itself. So we're going to grip it, push it up under, push it under. I'm going to put a little olive oil down. Put that dough in there. Cover the top with a little olive oil. Cover the top. And then I'm going to put this. And I made biscuits this morning, so my oven's warm. It's not hot. It's warm. I'm just going to put this in there. Bread machine It is still going, and it will go for about another roughly 90 minutes. We're not going to let it ride the full time because it will probably rise before then, but we'll tune in. Once everything's doubled in size, we'll come back. It's that simple. All right, so let's check this dough out. Get that out of here. Look at that. It has doubled in size. And we just... Whoa. Look at this one. Definitely got bigger. Got bigger also. The benefit about doing this, making your dough, everything else, you don't have to make these pizzas now. You can literally put them in the pan, wrap them up, and put them in your deep freezer. Game day, pull them out, throw them in the oven. They're going to be just as good. I've done it before. I froze one, let it sit for 3 or 4 days. We pulled it out. We cooked it on one of those busy nights. And it was fantastic. It was like I just made it. Not even lying. It was fantastic. And so that's what we're going to do today. So I'm going to spray my pan down. Out of cornmeal. I need to restock on my cornmeal, but it'll be just fine. I'm going to sprinkle a little bit of flour down. And I'm going to start working my dough out to fit into my pan. And look how easy that dough is to work with. It's not fighting me. It's being very, very good dough. And look at that. Traditional pizza sauce, my favorite pizza sauce. Every time I make pizza, this is the pizza sauce I'm going with. If you want to make your own, have at it. I'm sure you can make it fantastic. Get my crust just right. Then I'm going to scoop my sauce on in. Here I got some sausage I cooked up earlier. Do a dash of oregano. And then some Italian seasoning. Put pepperoni. All right, y'all. So the only thing left to do is we're just gonna wrap this bad boy up in some cellophane. Put it in the freezer. What I'm gonna do is put some olive oil on my dough. Throw this in the freezer. Pull it out whenever I want to make a pizza. Quit spending all that money at the pizza places, y'all. You can make this so cheap. However you want to do it, y'all. Just quit spending money. Make it homemade. It's better. Throw that secret ingredient of love in there and have a good day. My kids love my pizzas and they've been asking for it all day. My mom loves my pizza and she's asking for it all the time. It's simple, y'all. Just give her some dough now. Peace. Yeah, like, comment, and subscribe. Hit that thumbs up button and hit the bell notification to get notified every time I post a video. I'll catch you in the next one. This thing is like in there. That dough is hard. So we're gonna throw it in the oven at 425 and cook it. All right, so let's talk about this pizza crust. Look at that crust. Oh. Undercarriage, there's little to no flop. Crust looks absolutely great. The pizza looks absolutely great. Make the dough, easy, simple dough. Quit spending all your money ordering Pizza Hut or Domino's or Little Caesars or whatever, the mom and pop store, the Pizza Village, whatever you call it, Pizza Inn. Quit. Peace.